Pilar visit recipe altar servers.
Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel. I hope all of you all are doing well. Today we are going to Pilar for Mass. We are starting our day by going to Pilar. So I'll let you all know what all I do today. There, see my son and daughter. See, look at my son and daughter. They're just enjoying with a matching outfit as well. Hi, say hi. Hi, say baby.
Just enjoying the ride. Going to Pilar. All of you have to enjoy the First we stopped at the Pambulim cross because whenever we are passing by from here we always make a point to stop and just take a visit over there. Yeah, my daughter is also enjoying. And now we are going to Pilar Padagner. We like to visit this place every time because there are a lot of miracles that have happened with us after visiting this place, especially my daughter. And now we are going off to the 9:30 Mass. Jesus here. And now we are going out of the church for places. Now my son and daughter visited this cross, and my daughter is going to take the Kiss of Divine Mercy picture of Jesus. And she's run and come, look at her. Oh, yeah, Mama, where are you? Now my son and daughter visited this place, and now they are going to the cafeteria area, having some chicken patties, rockets. Okay, and now we are ready to go home. Here's my daughter enjoying the cool breeze. Wow. And this is the beautiful view of the church. And if you'll come to the side, you can see just below these flowers there are all chanas. Grams have been sold out here, so you can buy that. Here are some of the pictures which we clicked over there. So I said I'll just share with you all. My son and my daughter enjoying herself. Look at the pretty smile. This is my family picture. Father and daughter. And now we reach home, and I'll share with you all my chicken recipe for today. So I reached home. So I've taken 500 grams of chicken, boneless chicken. Okay, washed it. And after that you have to apply ginger garlic. So I have taken 2 5 rupees sachets so that I can show you all the quantity. 2 5 rupees sachet packets, and I'll add little salt in it. This I added. Now we'll add little salt and mix it well. I'll mix it well, and then I'll add little water and keep it for boiling. Okay, after that I'll take medium size 3 onions, 3 to 4, chop them fine. Take coriander, chop it fine. Okay, you can increase the quantity of the coriander as per how you need. After that I'm taking 3 chilies, chopping fine, and then after the chicken is boiled, I just shred the chicken fine, and I mix all these three things: the onion, the coriander, the chili, and the chicken together with mayonnaise. After that I mix it with this 1 bottle of mayonnaise. That's it, and the chicken sandwich is ready for you. Now my son had gone for altar server meeting, because this time it was the last altar server meeting for them, and father had taken them for a treat. So they just enjoyed themselves. And these are the pictures. This is the altar server last pictures. I hope you like my vlog.